Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry about that. I was trying to rush through the last one and now I'm noticing that you can just only record in 15-minute increments. So now I'm going to record the last 5 or so minutes that I was really trying to rush to get to the end of it on that last one. So sorry about that. But here are going to be the last 5 minutes, and it's just going to be in a separate link on a separate YouTube video because I could not figure out how to get them to combine because I upload straight to YouTube. So we're going to look at this graph real quick. So percentage of children and young people aged 5 to 16 years with mental health disorders in 2015. 10%. So not a crazy amount, but still 1 in every 10 people having a mental health disorder. Then percentage of people aged 16 and over with common mental disorders in 2017. Also an estimated amount at 19%. That's about double the amount from kids between the ages of 5 to 16 to then 16 plus. So right at that 16-year mark, you see a huge increase, almost double to 1 in every 5 students, or 1 in every 5 people, really, because anybody over 16, have mental health problems. Then we've got 1 in 5 people suffer from mental illnesses, approximately 57.7 million Americans every year. I think we read something like that before. And then we've got the prevalence of serious mental illness among U.S. adults by sex, age, and race in 2008. So the graph is a little bit confusing, but pretty much if you look at it, we've got that age range of 18 to 25 that is by far the largest. So there's that, and then we've got 49%. So among Medicaid beneficiaries with disabilities, 49% have a mental illness. That's an extremely large amount. And then we've got this demographic of the United States. The darker shade it is, the better off they are on Medicaid and just the beneficiaries of disabilities and stuff. And as you can see, Arkansas is one of 6 states to be gray because we are one of the 6 worst in regard to this. Now we've got depression among patients. We discussed this a little bit, but I think I rushed it and made it a little too confusing. On that top part, those are just medical illnesses, medical problems that they've got listed right below those circles, and then those circles show the percent of people with that pre-existing condition that also suffer from mental health issues. So as you can see, Parkinson's patients, 50% of them have mental health issues. Eating disorder patients, 75% of them have have mental health issues. So those are pretty big numbers there. Then we've got 40% of students fail to seek help when they do have a health problem, a mental health issue. 80% feel overwhelmed by their responsibilities as a student. That's an enormous amount. And 50% have struggled greatly from anxiety and as a result have struggled in school. Then we've got 30% of students reported that they had problems with schoolwork due to a mental health issue. 50% of students rated their mental health below average or poor, and a mere 7% of parents reported that their students suffer from mental health issues in college. So as you can see, these are all so far apart from each other. No one is getting just an all-around good, healthy, true idea of the mental health issue that is alive today. So after looking at these last statistics, now if we were in a classroom, I'd be handing out sheets of paper to do a quiz. I know a lot of this class was just lecture. There wasn't as many activities or things to do, but this is honestly a really serious issue, so making light of it by doing games and stuff, I just didn't think was the route to go. So I know we spent a lot of time talking, and you've spent now a good little bit listening to me talk about statistics, so I'm going to be handing out this short quiz. Won't be over any of the statistics. It'll just be over some other basic things about mental health, and hopefully we can all get hundreds on these, and hopefully that y'all, after this lesson, y'all have gotten a little more awareness about the effects of mental health and the seriousness of the issue and the prevalence of it today. And so Just turn those into me here after we take about 5 to 6 minutes to take that test, and then the class will be dismissed. Thanks.